In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dim screen share video on Zoom. If flashing or rapidly changing images during meetings make you uncomfortable, this setting is designed to help. It tells Zoom to automatically lower the brightness of any video that contains flashing content, making screen shares and clips easier on your eyes. I'll walk you through where it lives and what to expect once it's turned on, so you can set it up with confidence in just a moment. First, open the Zoom desktop app and go to Settings. You'll find the Settings button on the home screen, typically shown as a small gear icon in the lower left area. Click that to open the full Preferences window. If your Zoom window is small, the button might be a little tucked away, so maximize the window if needed to make it easier to spot. Once you're in, everything else happens from the left sidebar. Next, select Accessibility from the list of categories on the left. Accessibility gathers features that improve comfort and usability, including display and keyboard options, as well as chat and video preferences. This is where Zoom places controls that can help reduce visual strain. When you click Accessibility, you'll see sections for various features. We're heading to the part labeled Chat and Video. Keep that panel in view, because the setting you want is right there. Now, in the Chat and Video section, turn on the option called Automatically Dim Video when flashing images. Toggle it to the on position. That's it. The change takes effect immediately, and there's nothing else you need to save. From now on, whenever Zoom detects flashing content in a shared screen or video, it will temporarily dim the video to reduce intensity. This is a viewer-side adjustment, so it only affects what you see on your device and won't change the experience for other participants. If you're presenting and play a video with flashing images, your audience won't be dimmed unless they've enabled this option on their own accounts. You can toggle this setting off at any time if you find the image too dark, and then turn it back on whenever you need it again. It's a simple switch designed to add comfort without interrupting your meeting flow. That's all you need to do. With this setting enabled, Zoom will help soften flashing visuals automatically, making long sessions and content-heavy meetings more comfortable. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you have a safer, calmer viewing experience in your next Zoom call.